If you are heading to Taiwan and you are looking for a budget accommodation, I got you. So this is Wow Hostel in Ximending and konting lakaran lang to mula sa Ximen Station, exit number 6. Magandang hostel to dahil nasa harap lang ng convenience store, Starbucks, malapit sa Watsons at literal na nasa Ximending Walking District. You can book a stay here sa Ximen Wow Hostel for as low as 800 pesos per night. Let me show you what to expect here. Sa rooms, may mga double bed and single bed. If solo traveler ka lang naman like me, okay na yung single bed and mas mura to. May sarili kang light and socket and each bunk bed is separated by curtains for your privacy. You also have your own locker pero hand carry bag lang halos ang kasya dito. May luggage storage naman sa labas ng rooms. Make sure lang na magdala ng sariling lock. Mabilis ang wifi sa buong hostel at may common area kung saan pwede mag-work, kumain, magluto. May refrigerator. And microwave naman kung gusto mo mag-reheat ng food. Unlimited ang coffee and water dito. May sleepers na free to use during your stay. Make sure lang na ibabalik. Sa comfort room na amaze ako kasi kahit shared, napakalinis. Tuwing morning ko nakikitang may cleaning and I noticed na palaging may tissue and hand wash refill. Sa toilet, may manual bidet and sa shower bukod sa hot and cold water, may shower gel and shampoo na rin. If mahaba-haba ang stay mo, may laundry and dryer dito para naman maulit mo yung OOTD mo. Here's the balcony at ito ang view sa morning. Ito naman ang view sa night. Di ba medyo maarte ka? Maselan ka? Pero I got you. This is Rainbow Hotel if you want more privacy and hindi ka sanay sa mga shared rooms. For as low as 1,200 pesos per person, you can stay at Rainbow Hotel. Harap lang ng mismong Ximen Walker kung saan may mga shows every night. O diba, para ka lang nasa Gen Ad. May complimentary bottled water, coffee, and tea. May mini fridge, TV, hair dryer, may sleepers provided, and yung mga sakat nila dito, same lang naman sa atin sa Pinas. Sa comfort room, may mga towels provided, shower gel, shampoo, at may hot and cold shower. Pwedeng-pwede ka rin manood ng mga performances sa labas habang naliligo. If you are a digital nomad, FYI, mabilis ang wifi nila. Sobrang comfortable ng naging stay ko dito, malapit sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan ko, so I say sulit. You can book your stay on Klook and don't forget to use my code Keep Wondering Klook to get 5% discount.